Assalamu alaikum class pre-9. How are you? I hope you are all well and in the best of your health. How are your vacations going on? Let's come to your homework of first week. Subject English. Unit number 5, Daffodils. As you know, this is a poem. So paraphrasing is done for you here. Stanzas are given. Stanza number 1, it's reference and then paraphrasing. Then stanza 2, it's paraphrasing. Stanza 3, 4, all these stanzas are done for you. You have to write it down on your neat notebook and you have to learn them as well. Then next poem, unit number 8, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. Here its paraphrasing is also done for you. Stanza 1, 2, stanza number 3 and stanza number 4. You have to write down all these paraphrasing over your neat notebook and you have to learn them as well. Then come to English B. Learn the paragraph a road accident and orally write it over your test register. Then you have given a topic, creative essay, which is preparing for winters. You have to do it on your neat notebook. So that was all about your English homework of first week. Then come to computer. First week, unit number 5. Exercise is done for you, MCQs. Their answers are given here. Short question answer are given here. Their answers are given. Answer number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You have done all these in your class. So next question is 7, its answer. Question number 8, its answer, and question number 9 and 10. These questions, their answers are given here. You have to write them on your neat notebook and you have to learn them as well. So next subject is Islamiyat. अब इस्लामियात की तरफ आ जाते हैं. हफ्ता नंबर 1, अद्दरसुल अव्वल अलिफ सूरतुल इनफाल सफ़ा नंबर 14. इसके मारूजी सवालात 1 से 10 तक आपने कॉपी पर लिखने हैं और याद करने हैं. फिर दूसरा सबक है अद्दस्सानी, इसका भी अलिफ पार्ट और इसका ये है सफ़ा नंबर 35, 36 और 37. इसकी पढ़ाई है आपकी. फिर पहला सबक आ जाता है अद्दरसुल अव्वल का अलिफ पार्ट सूरह इनफाल का और इसकी आयत हैं 1 से 10. वो आपने ज़ुबानी याद करनी है. फिर हदीस की तरफ आ जाएं. हदीस नंबर 1 और 2 जो कि सफ़ा नंबर 76 और 77 पे है, इसको बमा तर्जुमा और तशरीह कापी पर तहरीर भी करना है और इनको ज़ुबानी याद भी करना है. फिर मौज़ूआती मुतालिया आ जाते हैं. सबक है कुरान मजीद, उसका सवाल नंबर 1 कुरान मजीद का मुख्तसर तारुफ, ये भी कॉपी पर लिखना है. और सवाल नंबर 2 कुरान हकीम की हिफाजत के बारे में आप क्या जानते हैं. ये दोनों सवालात आपने इनके जवाबात भी कॉपी पर लिखने हैं और इनको दोनों को याद भी करना है. और ये तमाम काम आपका खुशखत होना चाहिए. सो योर नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट इज़ पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ वीक 1. You have to learn unit number 1. Its questions are mentioned here. Long question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5. You have to learn these questions by heart. Then next is learn all these questions and write down orally over your rough registers. So next subject is maths. Theorems are given here. Unit number 10, theorem 10.1.1. Its solution is also done for you. You have to write it on your neat notebook and you have to learn it. Then exercise 2.4, question 4 part 1 is done for you. Question number 2 is also done for you here. Question number 3, question number 4, these are all questions are done for you here. You have to write it down on your neat notebook. Next exercise is exercise 2.5, question number 1, part 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are all done for you here. Here is one more part number 6 also done for you. Next question is question number 2, part 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. These are all done for you here. Question number 3, part 1, 2, these are done for you and the remaining part are given you to do it by yourself. Next question, question number 4, it is also solved here. Next, come to exercise 2.6. Question number 1 is true or false and their answer are given here. Next, question number 2, part 1, 2, these are done for you and remaining you have to do them by yourself. Question number 3, part 1, it's also done here and remaining parts are given you to do them by yourself. Question number 4, part 1 is done here and remaining parts you have to do them. Question number 4, part 5 done here. Then question number 5a, part 1, this is also done for you here and remaining parts you have to do them by yourself. Question number 6, part 1, it's also solved here and that was all about your maths work. Next subject is Urdu. उर्दू में आ जाते हैं. हफ्ता 1 का काम नज़म है, नात. नज़म नात की पढ़ाई करनी है और उसके ये मुश्किल अल्फाज के मानी दिए हुए हैं. ये आपने अपनी किताब पर लिखने हैं. अगला सवाल है आपका, नज़म नात के 4 शेर आपने कॉपी पर लिखने भी हैं और याद भी करने हैं. फिर उर्दू बी की तरफ आ जाते हैं. इसमें सवाल नंबर 1 जो है आपका, 2 हम जमातों के दरमियान पढ़ाई के मुतालिक मुकालमा आपने लिखना है अपनी कॉपी पर और तख्लीकी लिखाई दी गई है आपको, एक दिलचस्प सफ़र, और उसको आपने कॉपी पर लिखना भी है और याद भी करना है और ये तमाम काम आपने खुशखत लिखना है. कम टू नेक्स्ट subject, which is chemistry. Chapter 5, physical states of matter. You have to do reading of this unit and then you have to do its exercise. Answers are given here. First question is MCQs. Their answers are given here. You have to do MCQs on your book. There's no need to do it on your neat notebook. So next question is give short answers. Here are its 7 parts. Question number 2, it has 7 parts. You have to do all these questions on your neat notebook. These are all short questions up to here, 7 parts. You have to do all these on your neat notebook and you have to learn them by heart. Next question 3. These are now long questions. Question 3 is done for you here. And that was all for week 1. So do remember, you have to do all your work neatly and there should be no spelling mistake and you have to learn all these work as well. Next subject is biology. As you know, you have done chapter 4 in class. Just its exercise is remaining. Question number 1 is MCQs. Their answers are given. 15 MCQs here and their answer are also given here. Then understanding the concepts question. These are long questions. These are done for you. Their answers are given here. Here the answers are in dotted form, but you have to do them full on your neat notebook. These are all long questions. Question number 5, question 6, question 7. These were long questions. Next is short questions. Give short answers. Question number 1, 2, 3 and that's all. These were 3 short questions. Their answers are also given here. You have to write them on your neat notebook and you have to learn them as well. Come to next subject, which is physics. Unit number 5, MCQs. Their answers are given. Next, long questions are here and their answers are also mentioned over here. As you can see, some answers are in dotted form, but you have to do them full. These are also long question. Question number 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8 and up to 5.9. You have to do all this work on your neat notebook and you have to learn them as well. So class Pre-9, that was all about your homework for first week. I hope you have understand all the work and you will do your work attentively and there should be no spelling mistakes. As you know the current situation of corona disease, so I hope you will take care of your health as well. So thank you and Allah Hafiz.